What? You haven't subscribed to MyMathYourMath? Well, you're missing out. If you want free math help, just scroll down and subscribe below.
Yo, welcome to MyMathYourMath. Today, partial fractions. Example, decompose 3x plus 1 over x squared plus x minus 2 using partial fractions. That just really means, let's rewrite this as the sum of two different fractions. It would be helpful to note that the denominator, x squared plus x minus 2, is equal to x plus 2 times x minus 1. You would always like to factor the bottom of the fraction if you can, all right? That's the first step. The second step is to set the numerator equal to a times one factor plus b times the other factor. 3x plus 1 equals to a times x minus 1 plus b times x plus 2. Alrighty, all that's left now is to find a and to find b. If I'd like to find a, I need to make this 0, so that means x needs to be negative 2. So let x be negative 2. In order to find a, our left-hand side becomes a negative 5 equals negative 2 and a negative 1 is a negative 3a. If I divide by both sides by a negative 3, I see that a is equal to 5/3. To find b, we just let x equal to 1. Let x equal 1. Then the left side becomes 1 times 3 plus 1 is 4. Put a little dividing line. 4 is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0 plus 3b. Dividing both sides by 3, b is equal to 4/3. So these are our coefficients. That means I can rewrite the above as 5/3 over x, what is that? Plus 2 plus 4/3 over x minus 1 as my means of using partial fraction decomposition to decompose the above fraction into 2. And that's all for partial fractions.